Hi, this is Rich Moyer. I want to show you a really slick trick here. This is something that you find on the YouTube shorts and things like that. But the instructions of how to do this are pretty vague, and you find them all over the place. But I just wanted to give you an opportunity to use this tool as in your daily promotions and whatever. What we're talking about here is to use the multi-Windows clipboard. Now, did you know such an animal even existed? Well, it's fairly simple to use. To set it up, what you have to do is you have to enable your Windows clipboard history. So I'm going to come down here to the Start key, and then get the gear up settings. Okay, and when I go into settings, from there I have to go to System, and then down here towards the bottom there's Clipboard. What you have to do is make sure that the clipboard history is turned on. Okay, now you can clear your clipboard data at any time, and I'm just going to do it right here. But make sure this turns blue. So you want this to the right towards on clipboard history, and that's set. That's all there is to it. So you can shut down your settings. Now, what I want to show you is how to use this in practical sense here. I'm going to do a broadcast. I just done a broadcast out to one of my newsletters, and I have several lists, so I have to do this a number of times. But what I want to do is just copy the subject, and I'm going to do like right click, copy, and then down here I want the source code because I want to be able to edit it in. So I'm going to Control A to select all, and then right click and say copy. Now, what that's done is it actually puts two things in the clipboard rather than just one. Now, I'm going to come over here to my other newsletter, how I distribute my newsletters, my Prospect Manager and More Profit here, and just go to the emailer and just create, use I'm just going to use a blank here. So wipe this out and wipe this out. Now, for me to be able to paste the one item I dropped in the clipboard, the subject line, I have to do this on the keyboard. I'm going to hit the Windows key and V. And you see it says right here, it shows up in a multi-clipboard. I select that and it puts it in there. Now I'm going to go into the source and same thing, Windows V, and it's going to put this all in there. And when I click that, it's going to come up as a formatted message for me. I have my link in there and everything, and I'm ready to go. So all I have to do now is just send it. Okay, so it's that easy to use, and you can actually go back into your system and clear that clipboard if you like. You just keep putting things in the clipboard, and I think the history runs out after, I don't know, 5 or 10 or whatever. But it's still a lot better than having to flip screens and say copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. You can do it all at one time just by using that multi clipboard. Thanks a lot. This is Rich Moyer. I'll be showing you some other hints and tricks on how to get the most out of your computer and shorten the amount of time you're actually doing promoting here by not having to flip screens in and out. Again, my favorite is absolutely JitBit. So JitBit auto text is the way I normally do things, but I use this multi-clipboard all the time. It's called the Windows multi-clipboard, and it's in your settings. It's available on every Windows machine. Thanks.